Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I've been thinking about an old project for a very long time now. We're gonna get started on it here pretty soon, but I want your opinion on something. And that project is the old 1971 C10. I'm gonna pull it out of the corner and then I'll start talking about it. All right, guys. Got it out of the corner. It used to be stuffed right in here, right next to the Beetle, but here it is. My 1971 C10. It's been a while since we worked on it. We started building the cage. We gutted the interior, as you can see. Cage is starting to rust because it's been that long. We pulled the LS out of it for Greenie, so my dad can have a good running engine in that. But here comes the fun part. It's going to be a drag truck, okay? But as you can see, it's a long bed. So it being a drag truck, that can cause more issues than anything good, really. But the real question is, do we cut this bed down and make it a short bed, or leave it long bed? See, we already have to basically take off the bed to get the tubes down to the frame there. But in that process, do we convert this to a short bed? One of the big issues is right now it is already 4-link, and cutting it down to short bed, the issue being is where the bars are connected on the frame is basically where you're gonna have to cut to convert everything to short bed. So do we leave it long bed and leave the 4-link how it is, or the other option, what I was thinking is we convert it to short bed and we basically back half the whole body, whole frame. Just do tubing all the way back to the 4-link, everything back here, all tubing. See, that's the real question. Do we basically chop the frame in half and build a new one, or we just leave it? The other option is we just leave it and we get this thing running quicker. We just finish up what we have to do and then we just start driving, which I really want to do. I want to get this truck on the track and start driving it again, because I miss it. It's been honestly years since I've even been behind the wheel on this thing. So anyways, I appreciate your input. Tell me what your thoughts are, your opinions, and I look forward to seeing all of it. And yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. There's plenty more videos coming. We got a lot of projects coming. My dad just got a clutch pack for Frankenbuggy for the old ABA swapped rail. So I'm sure we're going to be doing a video on that soon, and there's going to be plenty more coming. So thank you for watching, guys.